I'm Telirima Navam. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh, and I have baked cafe and bakery in Itanagar near Hanuman Mandir. I have started my cafe in 18 October 2022, and it's about to 3 years now. From lockdown, last part of 2019, I have started my baking journey. I think it was 2020. So one of my sister-in-law, she called me for this baking class. The course was only for 3 days, okay? But only we took training for only 1 day. I think for me it was not so hard because as I know myself, I'm very hardworking person, and if I do anything, I do it wholeheartedly. Freely I have distributed so many cakes to my friends, my family, and after getting tested, they have recommended me to open bakery. See, I have cafe and bakery. Every day I have a menu for this sponge cakes also, then Japanese cheesecakes also, cookies also, lots of varieties of flavor also. But apart from that, my Japanese cheesecake, it is best sales from my cafe. Japanese cheesecake was not so famous in Itanagar earlier, but in 2020, I guess from me it was famous. I have interior, and then I have exterior, and then again we have good this one food functioning kitchen also, and my staffs are also very cooperative. My chef is also very expert in preparing this good food. Most important thing, now my staffs are very punctual. My cafe opens from 10 a.m. and they reach by 10 a.m. In business, so you have to take risk. Okay, first of all, आपको risk लेना ही पड़ेगा. तो risk लेके then more important thing is that you have to work hard. आपको वर्क हार्ड तो करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई कैन से एज पर माई एक्सपीरियंस कि आजकल का दुनिया में बोलता है कि लेजी वालों के लिए जगह नहीं है फॉर मी. ठीक है, तो आप अच्छा से काम करेगा और लेजी नहीं होगा. तो मेरा जैसा मेरा जैसा आप लोग मतलब नहीं सो के रात भर भी. यू सी टुडे ऑल्सो आई हैव सो लॉट्स ऑफ more than 16 kg orders. Okay, that was also customized. तो it takes time. तो आपको रात भर नहीं सो के till 4 a.m. 5 a.m. you have to wake up, okay, to complete that work. And even when you will get orders for more early morning delivery, then without sleep करके तो आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. और आजकल का तो हम लोग का यूथ्स लोग जितना देखता है, I have seen they are lazy. तो लेजी होने से तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं होगा ना. तो उतना हम खुद को प्रोग्रेस बोल के आई वोंट से, बट जितना अभी तक 5 years विद इन दिस 5 years 6 years बेकिंग एक्सपीरियंस में, मतलब आई वुड से कि आपको वर्क हार्ड करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, लेजी नहीं होना पड़ेगा. एंड इन बेकिंग फील्ड तो you need patience. Hard work is that to require, no, hard work is very required. Then patience आपको होना पड़ेगा, because आप एक work, if you do customized work, ना, like fondant work is there, then again so many colors in 1 kg cake also, half kg cake also, you have to do so many colors, you have to do so many changes, and if you don't have any patience, you won't be able to do that. So as a baker will only understand this baking field. तो आपको दिल से फ्रॉम योर बॉटम ऑफ हार्ट आपको लव प्यार होके आपको बेकिंग करना पड़ेगा, देन ओनली यू कैन बी ए गुड बेकर. Baking तो it will continue my lifetime. Whenever I'll be there, my baking will be continue, no? Okay, but I'm thinking to again do another this thing, no? Like I'm interested in beauty field. Yeah, so maybe in future I can open good one beauty parlor.